Good morning. Happy Thursday. So let's talk snacks. Everybody has snacks, everybody loves snacks, and there's nothing wrong with snacks. But could you find a better snack? Usually, right? In my travels, trying to figure out how to eat cleaner, what it means to just be a healthy eater. Of course, we want snacks, but I try to read the ingredients and make sure that it's still decent food for us, right? So I this morning went through my cabinets and pulled out some of my favorites, starting with barbecue potato chips. And then what I did is I looked at the ingredients, and then I looked to see another company, right? So this is Trader Joe's. Now, I've done my homework. I've read this. It is potatoes, sunflower oil. There's honey in it. That's the one. Sugar in it. Rice, corn. Oh, I'm sorry. Actually, one more sugar. And tomato powder, paprika, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, chili pepper, natural smoke. Looking at the barbecue potato chips for Frito-Lay, it is potatoes, vegetable oil, same type, seasonings, sugar, dextrose, those are two different sugars. Then there's molasses, a third sugar. Then there's maltodextrin, which is the fourth sugar in there. And then they have paprika, cornstarch, tomato powder, garlic, and at the very bottom it says made with partially genetic modified ingredients. Okay, so my second favorite, right, is corn chips. And these are organic corn chips. Reason why I try to stay organic or non-GMO with corn is because corn is one of those crops that are like 80-something% GMO in genetically modified foods in our food in the United States. So for myself, I try to look for organic corn whenever I can, and that's what I go with. So the ingredients in here is organic corn, sunflower oil, and salt. Now again, Fritos. I would say this is better than any Frito in any day. But a Frito has corn oil, and salt. So at the very bottom of this too, it says produced with genetically modified ingredients. Okay, so let's talk baking. Here are some options, right? Now, we all are familiar, my daughter picked this up, I was like, oh, Betty Crocker, right? If you look at the ingredients on here, you will see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ingredients. Basically, this is me being lazy, looking around my house, getting the ingredients and putting it together. And what's crazy is my social media manager, who comes from the UK, when she saw this, she's like, you don't make your own muffins? Or brownies? Which makes me think, that's interesting. But yeah, we have these simple, easy, do-it-yourself, add water, add egg, add whatever. But the reason why it's like that most times is because it has a crazy amount of preservatives and crap in it. So there's 4 ingredients in here. And in Betty Crocker's, there's high fructose corn syrup, there's partially hydrogenated soybean oil, there's modified cornstarch, there's xanthanum gum, cellulose gum. It goes on and on. If you want to compare, I think I posted it. You'll see it's a huge difference. And that's what we feed our kids for snacks, or sometimes we make for ourselves. So what I would suggest is there's always, even when you're standing at any food store, you know, we tend to just grab the color, or we grab the type, you know, the company that we're used to grabbing, right? So instead, why don't you take a look at something a little different, maybe to the side, maybe something with a non-GMO symbol, maybe something with an organic symbol, right? This is telling you, at least there's better standards than when you get this, and at the very bottom it says partially hydrogenated, partially produced with genetically modified ingredients. That means this is a science project, and this is real food. And this is just us kind of taking a little bit of an easier way, but it's a lot better than the crap that's in here. So I just wanted to pop on and just talk about snacks, being that I like to talk about food on Thursdays. And I hope that you have a great day. Thanks. Bye.